Habol po kami kasi. Come spend the day with me as a student/choir member. Hi everyone, I'm Chester from ICP Charismatic Choral, and welcome to my vlog. Before anything else, let me share a little thing about myself at kung paano naging malaking part ng buhay ko ang pag-serve through music. Alam niyo ba, nung bago pa lang ako dito sa choir, ramdam ko na agad na isa na ako sa pamilya. Ganun yung naging experience ko dito sa community. Hindi lang siya basta choir. Dito, we are family. Every Sunday, Friday at Monday, we serve at Immaculate Conception Parish. At dahil Monday ngayon, asamahan niyo ako sa isang buong araw ko bilang choir member. Siyempre, pagkagising, ang una kong laging ginagawa ay magdasal. Importante sa akin na bago magsimula ang araw ko, kausapin ko muna si Lord. After magdasal, tiglap muna ng higaan. Simple lang, then syempre, morning routine. Hilamos, toothbrush, para fresh tayo buong araw. After that, breakfast time. Basta may laman ng tiyan para may energy buong araw. Yay! Today, may sa agenda tayo. Pumunta tayo ng barbershop for a haircut. Dahil alam niyo naman, importante rin ng maayos na itsura, lalo na kapag nasa harap ka ng tao. At kumakanta para sa simbahan. Pag-uwi, quick palit ng damit para handa na sa biyahe papuntang school. Pagdating sa room, ayun, kulitan mo na with friends and classmates.
I love it.
After school, diretso na tayo sa simbahan. And guess what? Nagkasabay pa kami ni Sean. Hi, Sean!
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening. Right now is 6:15 p.m. Pataas na po kami sa church. Habol po kami kasi novena na po. That's all. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
As always, every Mass is a blessing. Serving for the Lord is always a blessing. Every song we sing is an offering to God. Every note is a prayer, lalo na sa communion. It's the most sacred part, a reminder of why we serve in the first place. After the Mass, Kuya always calls for a short meeting. Dito niya binibigay yung feedback about our service, kung ano yung maganda, at ano yung pwede pa namin i-improve. He also reminds us of upcoming events and other important announcements. Today is a very special day since birthday ni Antoinette. In our community, every birthday is special day. Hindi naman hinahayaan na hindi makakantahan ng birthday celebrants. Kahit simpleng handa lang, basta sama-sama, masaya na. And that's a wrap sa isang Monday ko bilang ICP Charismatic Choral member. Hindi lang siya basta kanta at tugtog, it's really about serving God, connecting with people, and growing in faith. Kaya naman, if you have the heart to serve and a love for music, baka ikaw na ang hinahanap namin. This is your sign. Hindi mo kailangan maging perfect singer. Ang importante, may puso ka para maglingkod. Dito sa ICP Charismatic Choral at Community, matututo ka, mamahalin ka, at higit sa lahat, mas lalim ang relasyon mo kay Lord. See you next service. Thank you and God bless.